Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do quadratic equations, exercise 5.2, 10th problem. This is the last problem in this exercise. That is, a motor boat heads upstream a distance of 24 km on a river whose current is running at 3 km per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motor boat maintained a constant speed, what was its speed? In this problem, they gave some information. That is, speed of the current is 3 km per hour. A motor boat heads upstream with the distance 24 kilometers. And the trip up and back total time is 6 hours. Then we need to find speed of the boat in this problem. First of all, before we are going to do this problem, we have to know what is upstream and what is downstream. Upstream is nothing but speed of the boat against to the speed of the current. Means if water is flowing in this direction, speed of the boat will be like this. Okay, speed of the boat is against to the speed of the flow of water. Next, coming to the downstream, both speed of the current as well as speed of the current is nothing but flow of the water. Speed of flow of the water. So here speed of the current and speed of the boat both are in same direction. Here in opposite direction, here in same direction. At that time we need to take here difference of the speeds of the boat and speed of the current. Here we need to add speed of the boat as well as speed of the current. In the downstream we need to add both the speeds. In the upstream we need to find difference of the speeds. See here we all know that speed is equal to distance by time. Am I correct or not? But in this problem they have given the trip up and down means to go as well as to come back. Total time taken by the boat is equal to 6 hours. So first of all we will write given information in that problem. That is speed of the current is equal to 3 km per hour kmph, and the distance is equal to distance is equal to 24 kilometer. So here we need to assume speed of the boat x kilometer per hour. At that time we can find speed of the boat in upstream, speed of the boat in downstream. From that we can find time taken by the boat in upstream to cover 24 kilometers. Next, time taken by the boat to cover 24 kilometers in downstream. From those timings if you add, we must equal to the 6 hours in the problem. Now let x kilometer per hour is the speed of the boat, speed of the boat. Next, speed of the boat in upstream is equal to x minus 3 kilometer per hour. I told you upstream is nothing but speed of the boat against to the speed of the flow of water, means speed of the current. See next, speed of the boat in downstream is equal to x plus 3 kilometer per hour kmph. Now time taken by the boat to cover 24 kilometers in the upstream is equal to distance by speed. Next, time taken by the boat to cover 24 kilometer in upstream is equal to, see here, S is equal to d by t. From this we can write t is equal to d by s. Now distance 24 kilometers and speed is upstream means x minus 3 we need to take. After that, time taken by the boat to cover 24 kilometer in downstream. Time means t, distance by speed. Distance is same distance to go as well as to come. So speed is downstream means we need to add x plus 3. After that, in the problem, the trip up and back takes 6 hours. The trip up and back means to go as well as to come back is 6 hours. Total time is 6 hours. Therefore, according to the problem, T1 plus T2 is equal to 6 hours. In the problem they mentioned to go up and back 6 hours means time taken by the boat to cover 24 kilometers in upstream, time taken by the boat to cover 24 kilometers in downstream is 6 hours. T1 plus T2 is equal to 6 hours. T1 means 24 by x minus 3. Take this one as T1. Take this one as T2. So T1 is equal to 24 by x minus 3. 24 by x minus 3 plus 24 by x plus 3. T2. Take this one T1. Take this one as T2. From this 2, take 24 is common. If you take 24 is common, so 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 6. Now, take LCM. X minus 3, x plus 3. What will you get? X minus 3 into x plus 3. At that time here we will get x plus 3 plus x minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled is equal to 6. Now 24 into x plus x, 2x is equal to 6 into a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Here it is dividing. After is equal to, it will multiply 6. So this will become x square minus 9. Now 6 ones are 6 fours are 4 twos are 8. 8x is equal to x square minus 9. So this can be written as 8x minus x square plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this will be x square minus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0, where it is in the form of quadratic equation. So we need to find roots of a quadratic equation by using factorization method. So at that time we need to take first term and the last term. So the product is minus 9x square. When you multiply two terms, the product should be equal to minus 9x square. When we add those two terms, sum should be equal to minus 8x. So that only here minus 9 into 1 minus 9 minus 9 plus 1 we will get minus 8. So minus 9x square we can write as minus 9x plus x. So product is minus 9x square, sum is minus 8x. Now x square minus this minus 8x we can write as minus 9x plus x minus 9 is equal to 0. So from this 2, if I take x is common, we will get x minus 9. From this, here what did I get? X minus 9. Take 1 is common, you will get here x minus 9 is equal to 0. From these two things, take x minus 9 is common, so I will get x minus 9 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 9 or x is equal to minus 1. So here x is nothing but speed of the boat. So x is equal to minus 1 we got. Negative numbers we should not take. We need to take positive numbers only. Therefore, speed of the boat is equal to 9 km per hour kmph. Okay, thank you. See this one.